country setting with city water. Nicely updated immaculate one-level ranch-style home on 2.10 acres, large shop and double detached garage. Built in 1948 with approximately 1,472 square foot, updated interior, newer kitchen, nice cabinets with granite countertops and large laundry room. Great built-in closets, vinyl windows, new ductless heat pump, heat and air conditioner. New paint inside and out, new composite deck with roof, new gutters, nicely landscaped and tons of parking.